Okay, so we're going to do a little review here. I know this is upside down, but we've got a 18-volt air cordless stapler nailer. Here's the box that was in. This is it right here, this bad boy. Air impact. Let's see here. We got this baby open up. We got some, I already put these staples in just to kind of get a feel for locking it in place like so. The batteries came in a separate box right here. Came with 2 batteries. It did not come with a battery charger. It did come with a bunch of staples and a bunch of nails. So it came with some nails, and it also came with 2 sets of staples. So those come in the box, and of course came with some instructions, which are good. But I think this is relatively simple. I am not super handy, so yeah. Take the battery out, slide it in. The lights should come on like that, and then there's a little bit in the instructions that say, if it's green, it's ready to go. It can be blinking, it can be yellow, or it can be red, and there's a few different things. Yeah, LED green, no nails. LED red, low battery. It seems like the batteries are working good. And then there's a little button here that shows either like single shot, single fire, or contact firing. So I'll show you the single fire first. And I'm just going into this cardboard box that's kind of set up, but it's going to be too much, but we'll show you. So I pressed the button first and tried to go, and it didn't fire. So if I push down and then hit the trigger, then it works for single fire. So now I'll switch it over to contact firing, and we'll do a couple of these. This, I believe, you hold the button down, the trigger button, and fire away, I guess. So yeah, I guess that's kind of the demonstration, and hopefully that kind of shows what this thing can do. Obviously it went right through the cardboard, but you can use this of course into whatever you need to do, and it seems to work okay. All right.